Isa pa. Bigyan mo pa siya ng ano, gulay. Ayaw niya. Yung gulay ng pechay niya.
Carrot.
Hindi, may pechay siya.
Tama. Hot blow.
Wow! Blow mo ha.
Blow mo yan.
Blow mo na.
Nagkakaya pag-blow na.
Mahulog yan.
Pagulat ito yun, magagawa ito na. Ito lang ito, tigil.
Hot pa na.
Ano
Blow
kami?
pa nga, di ba? Hot ha. Blow pag hot.
Dito lang, mga Pilipinas naglaban di championship.
Sabaw ka pa yan. Wag, isa-isa lang na.
Turkey's champion have already made history as they set a new record finish for their region this M7. But now we unfortunately have to bid them goodbye. Thank you to Aurora Gaming and we await your stronger return.
Saan yan ginanap po yan?
Indonesia.
Nagbibulan eh.
Jakarta.
ML ata ko yan? Sikat talaga niya.
Sanji,
World ata.
congratulations on
Ano,
winning
7 world.
another elimination match. And I'm not sure if you guys have actually noticed this, but many people have been looking at Team
More pa daw, Papa.
Ito ba
Gulay.
na ko yan?
final.
Uy, gulay pa daw.
Blow. Blow. Mama, blow mo.
Ah, hindi na kami yan yung nakain ah.
Ano ito po? Basta gagawin mo basta.
You don't think completing the golden road means you're the final boss?
Yeah.
As a mere challenger, this M7 has actually. I have to ask.
Hindi. Tapos na laway eh.
The MVP list is actually being dominated by
Kumain ng
EXP
gulay.
laners. But maybe from coming from an EXP laner like
Tabukan
yourself,
mo.
could you tell me how
Ibusin mo muna na sa mouth mo. Ano?
Hinanda na. Yun mo na.
Hot pa blow mo, anak. Pag blow. Ay, pag hot.